Today we are going to discuss on the topic Halsey system of incentive plan. There are many types of incentive plans and one of the most popular type of individual incentive plan is based on time, that is based on giving incentive is Halsey system. Now, this Halsey system was developed by E.A. Halsey, where a standard time was fixed for the completion of the task. Here, the minimum wages is guaranteed, and if the time is completed in less than the standard time, the worker receives a bonus payment at his time rate for a specific percentage of the time saved. This means that if there has to be a standard time that is set by the employer, for example, the standard time set by the employer is 10 hours and the worker is completing his job in 6 hours, he is saving 4 hours. So the incentive according to Halsey system will be given on the time saved, that is 4 hours, and that is at the rate 50 percentage. So 50 percentage of 4 hours of bonus has to be given, and the other 50 percentage is shared by the employer. Now, this 50 percentage calculation may vary from 30 to 70 percentage, but generally it is fixed at 50 percentage. And if a worker performs his job in less than the standard time, he is given the incentive. The incentive is equal to 50 percentage of the time saved by the worker. So, this system is called the Halsey system. There's a very simple formula for calculating incentives, that is, if you want to calculate the total earning of the workers along with the incentive, how it is calculated? W, that is the total wages, is equal to T into R plus half into S minus T into R, where W is equal to the total wages, S is the standard time. Standard time, whatever has been fixed by the employer. Like for example, in the last slide, we have discussed the standard time is 10 hours. And similarly, T is equal to time taken to complete the job, time taken by the employee to complete the job. That is, in the last example, we have seen that the employee completed the job in 6 hours. So, time taken is 6. Okay. And percentage of wages of time saved to be given as an incentive, that is 50 percentage. And R is the rate whatever has been fixed by the employer. The example, if I give you, if the rate per hour is rupees 3, that is the standard time for completion of the job is 10 hours, then the worker completes the job in 8 hours, his total wages would be what? That is W is equal to 8. 8 is the standard time, 8 is the time taken into 3. 3 is the rate that is fixed by the employer plus 10, that is S, that is the standard time, minus time taken, that is 8, into 3, again the rate, into half, that is the 50 percentage of whatever time that has been saved. So it comes to be total 27. So in the above example, worker is given an incentive of 50 percentage, half of the time that is saved, and the total wages is equal to 27. So this is how through Halsey system we calculate the total earning of the worker along with the incentives. Okay, let us take another example of calculating the calculating incentives through Halsey plan. Suppose the hourly rate of wage is rupees 1 per hour, that is R is equal to rupees 1, and standard time S is equal to 16, which is fixed by the employer, and the actual time taken by the employee to complete that job is 12 hours, that is time taken T is equal to 12 hours. The calculation of wage under Halsey plan would be total wage is equal to T into R plus S minus T into half into R percentage. That is 12 into 1. 12 is the time taken T into 1. 1 is the rate per hour plus 16. 16 is the standard time S minus 12 is the time taken divided by half, into rate, that is 1. That comes to be total 14. Similarly, let me give you another example. Standard time, that is S is equal to 8 hours and actual time 6 hours and rate per hour is equal to 7. So the total earning of the worker is going to be, let us apply the same formula, that is T into R plus S minus T into R percentage. So that would be T is equal to T is equal to 6 into 7, that is the rate, plus 8 minus 6, that is S minus T, into half, that is the 50 percentage, is equal to 49. Now with this example, Halsey plan would be more clear to you, that is calculate the total earning of the worker under the Halsey premium plan. Standard time is equal to S is equal to 12 hours, hourly rate R is equal to 3 and time taken T is equal to 8 hours. So calculating incentives through Halsey plan would be like total wages is equal to 8 into 3, 8 is the T, into R is the rate, that is 3, plus S minus T, that is S is equal to standard time is equal to 12 minus T is equal to 8 into R percentage into that is the rate 3 into half, so that would be total 30. So this is how we calculate incentives under the Halsey plan, individual incentive plans through Halsey system. Thank you.